Being on the front lines and interacting with customers on behalf of your company is hard work. If you're just starting out as a customer support agent, or you aspire to be one, you might be wondering what the everyday responsibilities look like. Hi, I'm Divya from Freshworks Academy, and I'm going to walk you through the basic responsibilities you'll have as a customer support agent. Listen to questions and provide answers. The biggest part of a customer support agent's job is talking with your customers and solving any issues they might have. What's key is monitoring every channel where they can reach you. You'll be speaking with them on the phone, replying to their messages on Twitter and Facebook, sending off emails, or even shooting off text messages. All the while, you'll be assessing what the problem is, how you can best solve it, and if not you, who can best solve it. Master the support software. Help desks, chatbots, CRMs, these are all examples of support software used by customer support teams to streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and ensure that interactions, both within your team and with customers, are seamless. By mastering these tools, you can ensure that you're spending your time wisely and productively. If this seems overwhelming, you can start beforehand by asking your company for training materials or finding tutorials online for the software used by your company. Generate sales leads. Once upon a time, all customer service agents had to do was pick up the phone, solve the problem, rinse, and repeat. But the days of customer support being exclusively problem-oriented are behind us. More often than not, you'll be in a position to identify whether the customer's problem can be solved by features in a higher plan of your product or service, or maybe even with a sister product that you might have. In such cases, you may have to cross-sell or upsell or identify the customer as a lead for your sales team. Collect customer feedback. A customer interaction never ends with just the solution. Though an answer goes a long way in resolving a customer's issue, getting feedback on their experience is important in ensuring their long-term satisfaction and in turn the success of your company. Why is feedback important? Well, positive feedback can boost morale for sure. But critical and negative feedback can also help you identify gaps in your interactions, and it gives you a chance to address and solve something that's going wrong. Skills to help you succeed in customer success. So, those were some of the day-to-day tasks you can expect to work towards in customer support. Juggling those responsibilities becomes a lot easier with a set of skills that are central to customer service. Conflict resolution and problem solving are popular skill sets to have, but let's take a look at some more related skills that will help you succeed on the job. Professionalism. As a customer service rep, you will be responsible for the impression that your company leaves with its customers. A warm, friendly greeting, a professional tone, and a sincere desire to help go a long way in making that great first impression on your customers. Communication skills. Your communication skills and professionalism go hand in hand. The ability to listen carefully, understand what the customer expects and what you can deliver, and communicate all of that correctly is the most key customer support skill. You should be able to maintain a pleasant tone, use positive language, and reflect empathy at all times towards the customer. Multitasking. It's now common in the landscape of customer support to juggle queries from all directions. Calls, DMs, comments, messages, emails, maybe even paper mail. Besides fielding customer queries, you'll be updating the knowledge base, maintaining your support tools, getting trained on the product, and much more. Though it sounds chaotic, with the proper strategies like planning ahead or working ahead in blocks of time, you should be able to increase your productivity and solve issues efficiently. Training. To be able to answer questions and solve queries effectively, you need to be well versed with your product or service and know your company's policies inside out. Make sure you're up to date on any changes or evolution in your product by taking training, being in touch with the right teams at all times, and compiling all of your information in the knowledge base. Knowing your responsibilities in your new role and upskilling yourself early on will help you excel at the job and fast-track your career. I hope this guide serves as a valuable roadmap as you begin your customer support journey. Good luck! What does your day-to-day look like in your new support role? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, drop us a like and tap on that subscribe button. And And if you want more customer support content, join Freshworks Academy. The link is in the description. Until next time, bye and happy supporting!